So today we'll be installing new side markers on the V6 Mustang. I have some Raxium advanced lighting solutions. Um, this is what they look like. I got them smoked since I'll be doing the red and black theme on the car. So this is what they look like. Right now, as you can see, you really can't see much of the light. So with the new LED, you'll be able to see more. Okay, so what you need to do first is get under the car. So let's do that. We're gonna do the left hand side one first. So make sure to look at which one you're installing first. So once you locate your light, what you want to do is you want to unclip that clip. So you're gonna have to be pushing towards the back of the car and not down. So once it's popped out, you want to make sure that this clip is pushed towards the front of the car, not up, but towards the front of the car. That way when you pop it out, you just don't pull it and break it. So what you want to do is push it So I'm gonna pull it out from the outside, but I'm just gonna pull towards the front of the car so you can see it's popped out already. That way when you pop it out, you just don't pull it and break it. So what you want to do is push it. So I'm gonna pull it out from the outside, but I'm just gonna pull towards the front of the car so you can see it's popped out already. So what you do next is you unhook this thing right here. So you're just gonna press down and make sure to tug towards that way it comes out. So you're gonna do this. So that comes right out. So let me get the new one. Oh, it's right here. So make sure it's the left hand side. So what you're gonna do is just unclip. You're gonna hook this to the car. So that goes right in. So you have to basically put this back in first into its little place. So what you want to do is basically put it like this, make sure it's secured, and then you can just pop right this in. So one thing I forgot to do was make sure it was working before popping it in, but I'm sure it works. So this is what it looks like. Much better than the factory one. But yeah, that's what you do.